Felicity, come on, let's crawl. Let's show everybody. Today is May 14th, and you are a crawling machine. You are a crawling machine. Yes, you are, Princess. You go for toys or a piano? You could go for your piano. Good. That is very good playing. Oh, you play with your mouth? You are so talented. What we got over here? Oh, you pull yourself up all by yourself. You're such a strong girl. Good. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. You can say hi to the camera. You can say hi to the camera. Say hi, everybody. You can say hi, everybody. You busy playing? What are you thinking about? Thinking about what you're going to do next? Alright, say bye-bye. Say bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.